Hey guys! So today I'm going to be showing you my updated 2020 winter hair routine. My name is Jewellianna for you guys who don't know me or who are new to my channel, and I'm also known as JeweJeweBee. Today I'm going to be showing you my wash and go routine. I have some new additions to my hair routine that I have not done on my channel before. Of course, I care about moisture and all that stuff. I want definition, I want shine, all that. But this is also really focusing on keeping my hair very strong and healthy. I want you guys to comment how your hair is right now. Do you have a wash and go? Do you have protective style? Let me know down in the comments. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get into it. To wash my hair, I'm going to be using the As I Am coconut co-wash, and I'll shampoo my hair around maybe 2 weeks, and then I'll use this in between. So now I'm going to condition with one of my all-time favorite conditioners, and this is Aussie conditioner. I'm pretty sure I've been using Aussie since the beginning of my YouTube channel. It's since being natural, and I just love it because it's really cheap. It has tons of slip, and also I prefer not to spend a lot of money on conditioner since it's something I'm only going to leave in my hair for like 10, 15, 20 minutes. If my hair is super tangled, 3 hours. Look at the slip, guys. Like, my fingers are just running through my hair. Not many conditioners can do this for me. Now I'm going to be brushing my hair, and I've never tried a brush like this. I saw it all over Instagram. I thought it can't be that good, but it actually is that good. I feel like this is one of the best detangling brushes I've used. I've been using this for like a month now, every wash and go, and it really does a great job. As you guys can see, so when I rinse out my conditioner, I actually use really hot water because I want my cuticles to open up for the next step. And that's because I'm going to be deep conditioning, and I want it to penetrate as best as possible. This is one of my favorite conditioners. This is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Mask, and it is absolutely incredible. I've been using it for years now. I take quite a bit and apply it, of course, all over my hair. Now really make sure I focus on the end. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'll wash it out, and then I'll show you the next steps. So that 20 to 30 minutes ended up being like 2, 3, 4 hours, but we're back. I actually washed the deep conditioner out like maybe 10 minutes ago, and then after I washed it out, I towel dried my hair, which I never do except for this next step. So because my hair is bleached, even though you can't tell right now because it looks super dark, I make sure to use Olaplex. Because this stuff is so expensive, I just try to focus this on my ends. I don't really get it in the roots because I feel like that part of my hair is the healthiest. It doesn't really need it right now. I'm using number 3 now. But Olaplex isn't a protein treatment. It's a bond builder, so it helps to restore those bonds to give your hair strength. I've definitely noticed that my hair breaks less when I use Olaplex, and it feels a lot stronger. My hair, I feel like, curls more and has more definition. So I've definitely noticed a difference when I use Olaplex, which is why I continue to purchase it even though it's a lot of money. I feel like this is now turning into the longest wash day ever, but no. I have a lot of new steps that I wanted to share with you guys because I didn't do the Olaplex treatment before, and that is something that is super important to my hair routine now. Bleached hair has some different requirements than my virgin hair. So I do some extra steps to make sure that I'm really taking care of my hair. And now is on to the fun stuff. So I have all the products here that I'm gonna be using. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of protein to my hair because everything else has been focused on moisturizing my hair, and you can overdo the moisture. This isn't a super strong protein treatment. This is just going to help balance it out a bit. And I'm gonna be using the Apogee Keratin and Green Tea Reconstructor. I've showed this in a video, maybe like from a few years ago. I'm going to spray this all over my hair. This is pretty affordable too, so I don't have to be chinchy with it like I was with Olaplex. So for the most part, I use 2 leave-in conditioners now, a very light one and then a heavier, thick, creamy one. For my lighter one, I'm using this moisturizer from Natural or Natural. I don't know which one it is. This is really moisturizing. I also love that it's silicone free. As you can see, my curls are already starting to pop. My hair feels really, really hydrated. This stuff is so moisturized, and especially for it to not have silicones in it, I know that it's actually like my hair feeling moisturized and not some chemical that's making it feel slippery and hydrated. So now I'm going to be using one of my favorite products that I have probably used in my past winter hair routines, but this is the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter. This is one of my long-term faves. If I have to do a video and I need my hair to look good, most likely I'm gonna be pulling this out because it consistently comes through. You know, some products you love them, but they do you great sometimes and they do you dirty other times. This is not one of those products. Plus, it mixes well with every product I've ever used. It mixes well with Eco Styler, which is incredible. This stuff is thick. So if you have really thick hair or really dry hair, I highly recommend this. So I know my hair is looking rabid right now because it's foaming up so much, but I guarantee you it will go away. So now I'm gonna be using one of my faves. You guys already know if you follow me, Eco Styler. Hey guys, so I have finished my hair. I recorded the whole thing, but my memory was spoiled. Oh, no. But you guys pretty much didn't miss out on anything because I did the exact same thing to the rest of my hair. I'm gonna use this on my hair, so. Actually. Okay, cheeks, okay. I always appreciate you guys being here with me, watching my videos, especially if you're still watching right now. That means you made it to the end. I hope you guys have a great day, great year. I'll see you guys in the next video.